Hey there, I'm Zach King, and one second. For those of you who don't know me, I make magic videos on the internet. And today I'm going to show you some of the camera features of the LGWING. And I'm also going to make a magic video with it. As a filmmaker, I'm always looking for new ways to enhance how I tell my stories. And technology makes what I do possible and inspires new ideas. One piece of tech in particular is a gimbal. It's a handheld device that uses counterweight to stabilize the camera as you move it around. And you can use a gimbal to make dynamic camera moves look professional and cinematic. Most phones have a built-in Steadicam feature to digitally remove the camera shake. But a gimbal uses physics to suspend the camera and allows you to focus the camera on one particular object as you move around. The LGWING has a built-in gimbal motion camera, which unlocks new creative possibilities by bringing gimbal technology to your smartphone. You don't have to buy a separate device or carry around extra bulk equipment, and you don't have to worry about problems like the shutter response. All the functionality of a traditional gimbal is seamlessly integrated into your phone. The embedded gimbal integrates 6 motion sensors and advanced stabilization software. Gimbal mode can be accessed instantly when you open the camera and swivel up. All of the standard gimbal controls appear here on the second screen. This allows you to view your footage on the main screen without any controls getting in the way. Normally, I'd use 2 hands on a smartphone to get a really stable shot. But with the second screen, you can hold it up just with one hand, like a traditional gimbal stick. You have your joystick, your zoom, and different recording modes like first person view, pan follow, and lock mode. And today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you how we use the LGWING to make some magic. Here's the video we made.
No, wait, don't go. Wait.
You want to see how we made it? So I'm going to use gimbal mode for this shot, which will make it really smooth as I'm running down the street. So I'm going to be running right here, and then you're going to follow like this here.
3, 2, 1, go.
No, wait, don't go.
So that one was shot in pan follow mode?
Yeah.
Well, let's do it in follow mode.
No, wait, don't go.
Then, to make the bike appear, we used lock mode to freeze the frame during the jump cut. Good. Ready? Go.
Wait.
Next, we edited the video. You can scroll through the thumbnails to see a preview of the videos. You find the best take, click on the edit icon, and it takes you to the video editor app. By having the controls on the second screen, that frees up your main screen for the footage. Then swivel down and upload the video. So there you go, a new magic video. Besides gimbal mode, the video camera also comes with time-lapse and slow motion. I can even adjust the audio caption options here. We've got basic, ASMR, and voice bokeh. Another cool feature is dual recording mode. If I open it here, you'll see 2 windows pop up. And I can move them around to the right. I'm gonna keep it back over here. But I like this feature because I can actually use it to talk to the camera and the audience directly and show off the illusion at the same time. I've got this little 3D print here and it says illusion. And if I turn it the other way, it says magic. Pretty cool. Now, this is a cool little feature. If you're like me, you might drop your phone a lot. And in case you do, the pop-up camera automatically retracts itself when you drop it. Check this out. See that? Now it's there. So there you have it. With the LGWING, you can film professional grade videos with just your smartphone. I'm excited to see how people use this as they create and tell new stories.